And we'll have Team 3 come up now. They are OtoInsight, and they'll be pitching their idea for the interactive ear diagnosis training software.
Your child is sick. They have an ear infection, and it's bad. They're in pain, or even worse, they've been going to school and they're not learning anything because they're so blocked up they can't hear. If you take that child to a doctor who's been trained on hundreds of diseased ears, you can rest assured that you have about a 90% chance of your child getting the right diagnosis and, as a result, the right treatment. I'm here to tell you that's not likely to happen. And fortunately, there's not a lot of opportunities for medical school students to actually interact meaningfully with diseased ears. In fact, in the graduating class, 20,000 students in North America, the average accuracy rate is around 40%. Faculty in medical schools don't get up in the morning to see numbers like this. And they need a solution that allows these students to practice their otoscopy or ear visualization skills, to practice making diagnoses, and to get targeted feedback. My name is Raphael. I'm here on behalf of Team OtoInsight, and we have a solution. OTOTRAIN is a 3D, cloud-based ear model that presents a wide variety of pathologies that are found in the ear, as well as a wide variety of presentations of these pathologies. Currently, it is ready to launch. It can be in the hands of the students who need it, but why not stop? Why stop with ear problems? Why not move into other pathologies? This product has room for growth. Currently, though, we want it in the market because there just is nothing comparable to it for faculty in medical schools to provide to their students. In studies, medical faculty have said, hey, you know what? This interactive product is just better than atlases, medical atlases, and it's better than lectures. Also, studies have shown that it cuts misdiagnosis rates in half for students who have been trained in traditional formats and then move on to our software. It's also important to remember that it has advantages over physical ear models. Physical ear models are, 1, expensive, and 2, designed to be used with an instructor present. And that means that medical students who want to practice, who want to take more time to really learn, who want to refresh a couple years down the road in their medical education, can't go back and use these as easily. OtoInsight has a product, OtoTrain, that can be used at any time, anywhere, and throughout the medical education. This product needs to be on the market. We have a business plan to get it there.
Thank you. OtoInsight joins the global healthcare simulation market. This is a fast-growing market that's expected to hit $2 billion by 2019. Of course, we're targeting a more specific segment of this model. We're targeting training students to diagnose ear disorders. And in the first 2 years, we'll be focusing on the North American market. So that'll be North American medical schools and other allied health schools. The total enrollment for these programs is 125,000 students, which gives us a market size of $1.5 million initially. Now that you've seen there's a market for our products, I'd like to introduce the qualifications of our team. We have team members who have backgrounds in audiology, business, and we have an award-winning team member who sells software to universities. So we have the skills needed to make this a successful launch. For our marketing, we'll primarily be targeting the professors. They're the ones who influence their departments on what software to purchase, and they're the ones that influence their students on what software to use in their classes. So that brings me to our commercialization strategy. As Raphael mentioned, OtoTrain is ready to launch. And the biggest hurdle is we just need to get out there and start selling. So we want to do a limited test launch beginning with Caribbean medical schools. These are the schools with the largest need and the largest class sizes. We also want to do pull marketing and present this technology at conferences in North America and internationally, as well as recruit test sites in the United States. This will set us up for expansion in the future. And of course, we're not going to stop developing this technology. In the first year, we'll probably continue supporting the technology, but afterwards, we'll do R&D to expand on it. You've seen our product, you've met our team, and you've seen our commercialization strategy. We're asking for $10,000 to take this product and go sell it in the market. So that way, when your child has an ear infection, you can be confident in the doctor's diagnosis. Thank you very much.